In this video, I'm going to show you a twist on the copy and paste functionality, specifically something that can be copied and pasted, within the editor here. How you can use copy and paste within the editor. I think in a previous video I explained the layout a little bit. I'll do a quick overview. You have rows, which are horizontal. You have columns, and those are a little harder to select. You have to kind of go in between the elements, and then you have elements, blocks of elements that go within those columns and rows, and the columns are vertical, they go next to each other. So if I add another column, add column, then there's another spot over here. You can copy and paste a row, a column, or an element. So if I want to copy this title, for example, I can click on it. It brings up the little contextual menu here, and one of the options on there is copy. Now if I hit copy, now if I click anywhere like on the next element, you'll see there's a paste. If I hit paste, then you see the element. Now you can do that even with a row, so you can do a whole row, copy, and then you click on the row and hit paste. And see, now I have two copies of the same row. So when you're laying out a lot of stuff that has the same layout, then it's a real handy tool to use for that. And the elements, when you hover over them, you can see what the individual elements are. So this is a paragraph, and if I click on the paragraph, I can copy the whole paragraph. Again, just copy, and then I have to click on something to paste. I don't know off the top of my head if I hit paste at the row. Yeah, that'll work. Whatever you copied last is what will be in the clipboard. So even though you're clicking on the row and hitting paste, basically anywhere where you can click and get that option, then it'll let you paste it. Also, I should note too, let's say I do want to have 3 columns here. I copy this, which is already in the clipboard, but if I go to row, add column, the default thing that comes up there when there's something in the clipboard is click to paste. So then you just have to click and it'll paste it. So that's another element of how that copy and paste works. This quick little video on copying and pasting. You can also, along the same lines, you can also duplicate a page. So if you, in the menu, you go to pages, click on the little gear. If I wanted to make an entire copy of this page, I hit the gear and hit duplicate. It'll ask for a new name. Normally you name it whatever you want it to be. I'm just going to leave it copy of about, just to show it to you. And then you have another page. So again, if you're going to lay out a similar page, then that's a little shortcut that helps you not have to reinvent the wheel. So that's all for now. Thanks.